Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are I'm here to answer a very important question, especially as it relates to the bull market. And the question is, how far can Bitcoin go? Okay, so about a week now, Bitcoin made an all-time high, and of course, some people were surprised, while some people were not so surprised. For someone like me that has been in the industry for some years now. I've been following uh, the Bitcoin trend for years now, or the Bitcoin markets, if you like, for years now. And even during the bear markets, we were here. So I was not surprised. It's long overdue, especially with Donald Trump winning the election. So that's, really changed the momentum and made a lot of people to believe more in crypto. So that being said, okay, we are today is about technical analysis anyway. So maybe the fundamentals can be for another day. So how far can Bitcoin go? How far can Bitcoin go in this bull market? So this is the Bitcoin chart, guys. This is the Bitcoin chart, and we the price is currently around 89,200 approximately. It's peak. I'm sorry, I won't say it's peak. It reached an all-time high of 92,000, almost 93,000, by the way. So how far can it go? So from the point of view of technical analysis, so let us do some interesting thought experiment or some analysis for you to see. Now, look, the trend, Bitcoin trend did not started today. The trend started here around this range, around the 26,000 range. If we zoom out, or if we zoom out more, safe, it's not even here. So it's probably around this range, 20,000 to 90,000 range. That was when the yeah started here. 16,000, 15,000. So that was in January 2023. The Bitcoin rate was hovering around 16,000. Everybody thought Bitcoin is dead, but of course it's not. It's like a phoenix, rise up again. So now the trend continues up till now for close to about March 2014, for close to about October 2014. For close to about 6 months, the price was in a range, like, yeah, it was ranging. Yeah, it goes up, come down, goes up 76,000, come down to 56,000, goes up back to 70, comes down, go as far back as 52,000, come back up. It was ranging, it was ranging. So it forms this. So it formed this range. So let's draw a trend line to see the range very clearly. So yeah, yeah, and yeah. So it's ranged for like 6 to 7 months around this range before he made a breakout. Last month he made a breakout last month, came to retest the trend line low, lower trend line, then pull up, back up. So how far can it go? So, well, from the point of view of technical analysis, okay, we can do this sort of experiment. It's two-way. Now, I'm gonna put the length of this range. So we are going to identify it, measure it, then place it on top of the range and see how far it can take us. So usually that's mostly the standard that is used to measure when there's a breakout in the trend line like this, or in a range like this. Sorry, we usually measure how far the breakouts will go, by looking at the length of the range that was formed, then placing it on top of the trend line and see how it goes. So this is what I mean. So let's say the length is in this. So we pick this up. Now place it on top. Now let's see what it gives us. So we have this 79 to 80,000. So obviously it has beat that. So another thing we can do is to use Fibonacci, trend line Fibonacci. So trend based Fib extension. This. So usually the way it works is that you place it for that. You place it in the low here, the closest low around here. Then okay, the retracement it makes is supposed to replace. I'll have to drag it back because I mean sorry about that. So supposed to be here, the top here. Then give it the current price. Or we can place it here. So depending on the depending on how bullish you are, you can say Bitcoin can reach the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is around 100k already. Or if you are so bullish, you can say it will reach the 1.618 Fibonacci, which is around 138k, or 2.618 Fibonacci, which is around 183,000, or it's even close above the psychology level of 200k. Who knows what can happen? It's Bitcoin we're talking about here. So, but for me, I will consider that we've not really seen before we can begin to call the top in this bull run. I think we are going to see 200k. That's what I believe. What do I believe? At least we're going to see 200k because this is this is when we enter the actual uh, bull market mania, where everything is going up. Usually, it is Bitcoin that lead first. So that's my projection. That's where I see Bitcoin, in the next couple of months from now. Probably 200k. It doesn't. It's not far fetched in my opinion, and that's even conservative. So that's all. Thank you, and make sure to like and share and subscribe to this channel for more analysis like this.